Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You've got the card, now act. Scratch and copy the code, open Play Store, and redeem immediately so funds appear on your Google balance. Make sure you're signed into the exact Google account used by Pubg. Mismatched accounts block purchases. Once the balance updates, check Google Payments profile for country and payment limits because regional mismatch prevents transactions. If parental controls are active, disable or enter the PIN, now so the store allows. You're in the game, navigate to Shop and select UC. Choose the precise bundle you want, and when prompted, pick Google Play as the payment method so your redeemed balance is used. Confirm the transaction and approve any additional Play Store dialogues. Some devices ask for a password or fingerprint. Once done, monitor the in-game bell or mailbox for the UC grant. If purchase stalls, close Pubg and reopen to force a sync before repeating the confirmation. After confirming, wait a few seconds and check your UC balance and inventory. The game usually credits UC instantly. If you don't see it, open Play Store right arrow account right arrow purchase history to find the order ID and timestamp. This proves the charge. Then restart Pubg to trigger a server sync. Key troubleshooting tip: if UC is missing after restart, submit a support ticket to Pubg with the Play order ID and a screenshot. Support can reconcile the transaction and restore your UC.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.